TikTok Shop is absolutely booming right now, but the biggest con is fulfillment and logistics. Lucky for you, I've got that problem solved. I've been dabbling with TikTok Shop and I've been getting several orders, and it's a pain to fulfill the orders manually or ship them out of your house or your garage. So instead, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Amazon seller account to your TikTok Shop so that when you get an order, it automatically fulfills via your FBA inventory. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevor Peterson. I've been selling things online for the last 8 years. I've done it all: Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, and now we've got TikTok Shop. And there is a lot of opportunity, but like I mentioned, the biggest con is the fulfillment and logistics side of things. And it took me a lot of time to figure this out, but I'm going to simplify your life and show you how you can link your seller account to TikTok to automatically fulfill orders. This literally took me hours and hours, and I tried different applications, and it was a nightmare of a process, but I'm going to break it down step by step for you guys so anyone can do this. And the first step is we're going to come over here and you need to have your TikTok Shop Seller Center account. So if you don't have an account, can't even sell on TikTok, so just Google TikTok Shop Seller account. You'll sign up. It's a pretty straightforward process. From there, you'll have a dashboard that looks like this. You'll need to create a product listing. If you don't have any products to sell, you can't make any money. So you need to create a product listing. And how you do that is you come over here to this products tab, and then you'll just create a listing very similar to like an Amazon listing. So you have a title, you have the category, you have the brand name, you have the different attributes, you have the media, so the images. You can have a video, you have a product description, and then right here, the sales information. This is the first and most important step, is you want to make sure that that UPC code, whatever code you used on Amazon, make sure you use that code here. And then whatever your SKU is on Amazon, you want to make sure that you have that same seller SKU here. And this is going to help when we sync the listings, and Amazon will know what products to ship when you get an order. So that is the first step, is make sure that when you create the product listings, you have this matching your Amazon account. Now, I will say there is a little pro tip that if you do have a large catalog on Amazon, so like 10 plus, 20 plus products, you'll want to use this same app that I'm going to show you, and you can actually sync all of your products from your Amazon account directly to your TikTok Shop account, and that will save you hours. For me, I did it manually, so if you only have 3, 4, 5 products, you can just go in and create those, and it's pretty straightforward. But again, if you have a large catalog, you want to sync that so you're not doing all that manual work. So that's the first step. The second step is you need to go and create a shipping template. So this is super important. If you don't have this, you can't do what I'm about to teach you. So come to shipping template into right here, click on orders, and then go to shipping template, and you'll come over here and hit create template. Now I've already created one, so I'm going to show you, and I'm just going to hit edit. And this is what yours is going to look like. You give it a template name, the ship from, the rate model, whether it's weight or quantity based. You can do standard shipping, economy shipping. You can create different ones. Economy is the slowest. So again, depending on how you have things set up, you can actually switch it. And on my other account, I actually have standard set up just because it's within 7 days, and economy 11 days. That's just a little long. So you can do standard shipping, and then you'll just enter a flat rate. We can say $5. So depending on how big your product is, you'll want to adjust accordingly. And then right here, you'll hit edit, and you'll want to select all. And I just did all 50 states, including Hawaii and Alaska. And so now I've got my standard shipping set up. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to hit submit. So that is saving that shipping template. And once I have that set up, we can move to that next step, which is going to shipping options. So shipping options is basically you selecting whether you want to do TikTok shipping, or you can do seller shipping. And as you can see, I have seller shipping selected. And so you need to go in and click seller shipping. So those are very important steps. We've got the product listing, make sure the SKU and the UPC code match. Then we've got the shipping templates. Then we've got the shipping option, select seller shipping. Okay, once you have that set up, you're gonna come over here to the growth icon. and you're going to come to apps and services. And this is where you're going to search for the app that I'm going to recommend. Now, there are some other apps, and I actually downloaded the other ones and tried them, and they were just a nightmare. And I found this one to work the best. It was actually the cheapest. And so you're going to come over here and just type in Amazon. And the first result is the application that I recommend is called Webb App. So you're going to click on this, and I've tried AfterShip and it was just kind of a pain. I haven't tried these other ones, but I do know that Webb App works and it's a lot more user-friendly than the other ones. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to hit install. I'm going to hit continue, make sure that you get this all installed. Then you're going to do a contact email and a phone number and click confirm to install. And here you're going to actually authorize this download. You're going to hit authorize, and from there it is done and you are good to go. Once it's installed and authorized, it's going to redirect you to this page where it says app installed successfully, and you're going to create your account. So just put your work email, enter in a password, and then you're going to hit register. And then you're going to get a pop-up saying your account was created successfully. Check your email with a verification link. You'll click on that and that will verify your account. Once your account is verified, you'll re-log in, and the next thing is you need to connect your Amazon Seller Central account to this application. So what I recommend doing is going to a new tab and logging into your seller account. It'll just make it where it just does it automatically. And so I'll come over here and I'm going to hit connect. So I'm going to hit connect to Amazon US. And it's just going to pull up my seller account, and I'm going to say, okay, I authorize this app. I'm going to hit confirm. And then just like that, it is authorizing this application to then work with TikTok Shop. And the next step is to set up the app settings. And what I recommend doing is coming over here and entering in your email and clicking order failure. This is basically going to notify you if an order does not process properly so that you don't have delayed shipments going out. And you'll come over here and click save. Once your app settings are set up, you're going to sync. So you're going to want to auto export orders from TikTok, turn that on, hit. And next you'll come over to inventory location, make sure that is selected, and then you'll be able to turn this toggle on, success. And then the third one is auto import tracking of orders from Amazon FBA to TikTok. So you'll turn that on. Once that is set up, you're going to hit next. Then it's going to take you to this page where it's going to ask you to select a plan. You are on a trial plan right now, and don't make the mistake that I made. I didn't upgrade in time, and so my orders were canceling and I had to manually fulfill them. So make sure to select a plan. They have 3 of them: starter, growth, or unlimited. Unlimited allows you to sync your FBA listings directly to TikTok Shop. So if you have a large catalog, you'll want to do that. But if not, you can start with the starter plan, which is $35 per month. I promise it's worth every single penny. And I do have a coupon code. You can use code TREVIN1M. You'll get the first month free, and then you'll get 20% off for the first 12 months. So get signed up for the plan, and then it will break down the rest of the process. And once you have your plan paid for and selected, you're going to come over here to configuration, go to app settings. Again, make sure that order export failure email is turned on, and then you'll hit save. And from there, you're going to come to marketplace settings, and these toggles should be turned on. You'll come down here to these toggles, make sure that these are turned on. Make sure all of those are turned on, and then you'll come over here to TikTok warehouse to use for inventory update. And then you'll make sure to select your warehouse, and then you'll hit save. It's saved successfully. And then you'll come over here to update inventory. Click here, and then you can hit update tracking, which there is no tracking to be made, but you'll want to make sure that that is updated. And then from there, you are good to go. And every time you get an order from TikTok, it'll come in here and it will show you on this dashboard. So if you just come to the home page, it'll show you today's synced orders, this week's, last 30 days, and then unsynced orders. So as you saw with my TikTok account, I had one order that wasn't synced because this wasn't set up. But now moving forward, every time that I get an order, they'll come over here, sync the orders, and it will get processed. And for the ones that are unsynced, I can come over here and hit view status, and I can actually hit resubmit to Amazon, and it will then go in and fulfill that order. So you can go in and manually resubmit it, but it won't automatically do it. But moving forward from here on out, every single time that I get a TikTok Shop order, Webb will basically talk to Amazon, will fulfill it, and then we'll update the tracking on TikTok Shop, and it just makes your life a lot easier. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that there was a lot of steps and it gets complicated if you don't know what to look for, and that's obviously why I had this tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, get WebB, follow those steps, use coupon code TREVIN1M for that first month free, and then 20% off for the first 12 months. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video.